All right, here I have a 2023 Ford Bronco with a 2.7 liter engine. It does have 3 different engines, so make sure you got the right one. But I'm going to show a quick rundown how to do the oil change. On the left here, you got your oil filter. On the right here, you got your oil fill cap. And then on the top of that, you have your dipstick. And then at the bottom here, you got a dust cover with 6 bolts. They're 15 millimeters, and you have to remove that so you can get to the drain plug. And then that's your drain plug. It's just a plastic one. Usually you just take it off with like a pair of pliers. You just twist it off just like this, and then once it hits the tabs, you just pull it out. And then once you're done, you just you can just twist it back on with your fingers, which is what I did. And then just twist it on until the yellow tabs hit the tabs on the oil pan. This is a better picture of what the tabs on the oil pan look like and the tabs on the drain plug. And then that's basically what's supposed to look like once it's flush. And like I said, the oil filter is at the top. It's a 27 millimeter socket. And then once you take it off, there's 3 O-rings that you have to replace. And your new oil filter should come with all 3 O-rings. And then when you put your oil filter back on, you want to start it by hand and then go as far as you can. Usually, I think I got about 10 turns on it by hand, because even if you get like 2 or 3 threads on it, you can still cross thread it, and I've seen that before. And if you want to torque it, it's 24 plus or minus 2 Newton meters. And make sure you look on the top of the oil filter, because it also says right there. And that's what mine said. It said 24. It takes 5W30. I put full synthetic, and then it takes 6 quarts of that. And then once you fill it up, you want it to be in between those 2 dots. And then to reset your oil life, what you want to do is press this menu button, and then you want to scroll down to settings, or just went all the way up, and then go down to oil life. And then it just says hold OK to reset oil life. So you just hold OK. And then that's about it. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.